Hi and welcome to Miss Kate Cutable's 1 Minute Make. Today we are putting together a fall skunk to go along with the fall raccoon, squirrel, bear, owl, fox. This will be a cute addition to that group. I had many requests for this one, so I hope you guys like it. I had a little puppy that wanted to hang out with me. She is a Cavapoo. She made it a little bit difficult to put it together, to be honest, but we had fun. So the layers on this one, there's a different puppy now. That one's a golden doodle. She wanted to come hang out too. Her new parents were coming to pick her up, so she was hanging out with me until they got here. Anyway, so the layers on this, there's a few layers, but it's still easy to put together. When you have them lined up like that, you just know exactly where to put them, so that's what I suggest. You can see the print and cut up there in the upper left-hand side. That's what he looks like all done. You don't need to add the little oval he's sitting on or the leaves or grass, but you know, it adds some color to it. I just want to thank all of you guys for the nice comments you guys have been leaving me. Everyone's so nice. A big shout out to Emily St. Clair, who leaves me the nicest comments ever. I'm just really grateful for everyone and for all of you and for everyone being so nice to me. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, comment down below, hit the like button, and I will see you on the next 1 Minute Make. Thanks for watching.